Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the invite. Open it now and use the join link. Once done, pick app or browser and sign in with your work or school account. Make sure camera, microphone, and speakers are selected and tested before entering. If you see a preview, adjust framing and background effects. That reduces interruptions later. Click join when ready and decide if you want to join with video on or off. This gets you into the meeting lobby or straight into the meeting quickly and reliably. Once inside, locate core controls. Mute, camera, share, and chat. Use the spacebar for push-to-talk when unmuted, otherwise keep yourself muted to avoid ambient noise. If presenting, select share and choose between full screen, a specific window, or a PowerPoint file. Make sure to stop sharing when finished. Use raise hand or chat for questions. That keeps audio clear and orderly. If roles matter, confirm presenter versus attendee permissions, so content and recordings behave as expected. Wrap up by summarizing decisions and confirming next steps aloud or in chat, and start or stop recording as needed. When the meeting ends for you, click the red hang up button. You can rejoin from the calendar event or original link. If audio or video fails, try reselecting devices in device settings, restart Teams, or use the dial-in phone number as a backup. That often restores connection faster than waiting. Finally, export chat or shared files for follow-up and close the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.